I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be working on an 11 by 14 canvas. I've got some red, white, and blue colors, a little bit of silver here, but going to be doing a swipe, and you can see I've got some matching swipe tools here as well. Really quick, I'm going to cover the canvas. I'm going to show you the colors that I used for my white. It is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and I mixed that with Liquitex Basics Titanium White. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover that, and then I will be right back. Alright, so my canvas is covered, and I'm going to show you the colors that I'm using real quick. I've got this pretty blue here. It's from Soho, and it's called Mineral Blue. I've got another one from Soho, and it is Alizarin Crimson. Got a couple from Pebeo, their Studio Acrylics Iridescent Blue, a Red Blue, and Iridescent Blue Black. And then the silver that I'm using is from DecoArt, Americana Decor Metallics. Alright, and the black that I'm using is from Golden. It is Carbon Black, and I will be using that. That was mixed with Australian Floetrol only, so I'm going to be adding that for swiping, for the cell activator, if you will. The rest of my paints are all mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I'm going to show you the consistency here. You can see that it comes right off the stick, pretty easy there, into a little mound, and then it disappears quickly. The way that I mixed that is 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium, and that was the right consistency for me. And then my regular pouring medium is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water, and a little bit of Golden GAC 800. Now, I did notice that my white is an older white, and it does not have any GAC 800, so I am hoping that I don't have the cracking issue that I was having before, because it was an older mix that I had in the winter time. I should have just added a little bit of Golden, but I did not. I didn't realize it till after it's already on the canvas, so we're just going to wing it, okay? We're just going to go with it. Alright, so I'm going to start putting my paints here on the canvas, and I'm not going to do traditionally down the center or whatever. I'm just going to kind of go a little all over the place here. No rhyme or reason to it, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, I'm alternating the red and the blue here. We'll see how this turns out. Hopefully good. Cross my fingers. Oh, it did splatter a little bit. So I do have some exciting news to share with you guys really quick. I just want to show you. I will be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away one of these mini blowers. Yeah, a set of my attachments I will be giving away with that as well. So stay tuned for that. It'll be very, very soon. So I know a lot of you are having a hard time finding it. So that should be fun. Dang, I keep dripping on there. That's alright, I can fix that with the white. And I'm going to move it around a little bit too, so we will see how this goes. I think I'm going to go over a little bit more. Some of my colors have gotten a little lost under there. thought I would try some patriotic colors. These paints actually I had mixed up, and I had done another painting with them that I was actually going to release first, a cloud effect pour, and it kind of, let me see, it dried a little strange, so I'm going to do some work to it so I can show you the final result, the complete final result once I get done, you know, messing around with it. So we're going to see how that turns out. So that's another thing to stay tuned and look out for. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my cell activator and I'm going to just dump that through the middle also. Just put a little bit. I'm going to try. My cup will probably crack. But let's try this here. So I'm just going to dump a little bit of that in there. I'll probably end up dipping my swipe tool in the cell activator as well. I don't normally do them like this, so this is kind of new and fun. Just trying some stuff. That's all what this art is about. It's creating new things, having fun. All right, so I'm going to use this one. Actually, I'm going to use, I think I'll use the red one. It doesn't really matter. They're all, they're the same size, just different colors. I have a plethora of those. So first I'm just going to swipe. Let's see how it goes first without dipping. Okay, I'm just going to kind of start it here at an angle. Alright everybody, here is the dried photos and I love it. I had so much fun doing this one. I loved the colors. I do really like the composition of it, and I got a lot of cool lacing and cells in this one. I can't really tell if I like it horizontal or vertically better. I like it both ways. So, but I did have a little bit of a mishap after I shut the cameras off. The rag that I was using to dry my hands off, I dropped it on the edge. Thank God it wasn't in the middle, but I did still have to do some touch-up work to it, so I fixed it. So I'm really happy about that, and I'd love to hear your thoughts, comments, so leave me one below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now would be a great time. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video if you got something out of it. I'd really appreciate that. And don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you're notified when I upload new videos. And also, if you are new to my channel and don't know, I do create 3D printed acrylic pouring tools, super useful tools to help you guys in your acrylic pouring journey. The link to my Etsy shop is in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. And I really hope you enjoyed my video today. I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.